Nokia X6 uses a 5.8-inch 2280 by 1080 resolution screen with a fairly narrow border. The screen accounted for 86%, the actual grip is about 5.2 inches with the traditional 16:9 model similar. At the bottom of the screen, the logo of Nokia is printed on the chin that is not wide enough. The overall screen design of the front body is a whole screen as a screen. It's very strong whether it is an information screen or a bright screen. There are currently 3 color combinations: Starry Sky, Dark Blue, and Polar White. Young and stylish. In terms of photographing, the Nokia X6 is equipped with a 16-megapixel front camera, which has laid a good physical foundation for beauty self-shooting. The rear-mounted 16mm plus 500-megapixel dual-camera module can achieve hardware-level background blur effect. Configuration: Nokia X6 equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor. Compared to the previous generation of Snapdragon 625, either CPU or GPU are greatly enhanced in meeting the daily use at the same time. Each chicken is worth mentioning. Memory combination: 4 plus 32 fourths plus 64 6 plus 64 GB. 3 versions can be selected. The battery capacity of 3060 mAh. Using Type-C interface, supports fast charging. And retain 3.5mm headphone jack.